Aligarh, an Indian city situated in the western part of Uttar Pradesh, is an important commercial and agricultural trade hub. Most people here depend on the nominal daily earnings, which barely provide them with their living, leaving little or no hope for the present and the future. A ray of light has come to lead people on the path to freedom. Mrs. Salma Ansari shares a long association with Aligarh. She has witnessed the grave human reality and sufferings of the people, of which most badly affected are the poor children. This has deeply touched her heart.
मैंने गुर्बत का वो हाल देखा कि ये उसी हाल में है ये बच्चे जो मेंटली चैलेंज बच्चों का हाल था। ना बच्चे ये समझ पाते थे, कुछ ऐसे बच्चे थे जिनको इंसानियत कहीं पीछे छोड़ आई थी।
Sadly, in most slums of Aligarh, there are families living below the poverty line with no or inadequate basic facilities. Lack of knowledge, health and hygiene bring misery to all. To protect and cherish poor children, Al-Noor Charitable Society was formed by Mrs. Salma Ansari with a vision to overrun the race on poverty through the strong horse of education, gracefully taking the nation to glory. So, the journey for transformation of lives of poor children began with the launch of Kela Public School in 2004. This is the first school in the city providing absolutely free education to all, irrespective of caste, creed, sex and age. It provides a scholarship of 300 rupees per child for a period of 1 year, which includes everything from school uniforms, books and stationery to trained teachers. Besides, nutritious midday meals help them grow in a clean and healthy environment.
हमारे माँ बाप इतने गरीब हैं जो हमें बड़े स्कूलों में पढ़ने के लिए पैसा नहीं होता है, तो हम इसी स्कूल में पढ़ लिए। जो हमें पढ़ाई बड़े स्कूलों में मिलती है वो हमें इसी स्कूल में मिल रही है।
हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था, मैंने स्कूल खुलवा के इतना अच्छा बनवा दिया गया, पढ़ाई लिखाई सब फ्री हो सकती है और कभी हमने सोचा भी नहीं था हमें अपना सपना पूरा हो सकता है।
Salma's vision and love for children is welcomed by the people. With school bags in their hands, smiles on their faces, and hearts full of enthusiasm, all the children from the surrounding slums and villages walk their way to a refreshing change. Looking at the overwhelming response, more free schools were started. Al-Noor schools are recognized by the Uttar Pradesh Madarsa Board and are now given the status of Madarsas. These schools teach Urdu, Hindi, English, mathematics and science, besides extracurricular activities and sports, contributing to the overall growth and development of children. The Al-Noor Charitable Society has already made a start by providing a helping hand to the children. But it needs much more help from all of us if millions of children are not to be deprived of their education and to have the rest of their lives blighted. There is a need for much more, and we believe there are many who care.
मैम का शुक्रिया अदा भेजना चाहते हैं, मैम ने हमारे लिए इतना अच्छा करा, पढ़ लिख के अब अच्छा आदमी बन सकते हैं।
दुआएं देता हूँ, मैं उन्हें दुआएं देता हूँ जो जिन्होंने ये स्कूल खोला और इतने बच्चों को पढ़ाया।
थैंक यू।
The gift of education is the biggest gift one can give to children. Your contribution can help us make them smile.